Hello guys, today we discovered the earthquake hit Cebu. Yeah, it hit Cebu. So this earthquake was very strong. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna feel like it's 100 point magnitude. And we felt shocked for the earthquake because it felt strong. And it's so felt that I feel it. So I will show you the cracks. Yeah, that's the cracks. Yeah. Did you see it, guys? Well, if you didn't see it, just slow down. Yeah, bye.